Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Florida Scrapper channel. I know it's been a while. A lot of people have been showing concern on the comments on where I've been. Unfortunately, I took some time off because I was dealing with the passing of my father, who passed away earlier this year, and it just struck me pretty hard, and I took some time away from everything, kind of pulled away from everything, actually. But yeah, now it's time to get back out and do some scrapping, hopefully fill the truck up. I do have a few things in the back of my truck that I picked up over the weekend, but let me get this thing fired up and let's go see if we can't find some junk. Something to start my morning off with. Oh, hopefully the sun's going to be a little higher here in a little bit. Oh, looks like a collapsible canopy frame. I got a spot for that. And like I say, I'm not empty. I got an old barbecue grill and some odds and ends back here already. That'll stay for now. Another familiar sight. Why would they do that? Just throw that there. Actually, I thought it was an ironing board, but it's actually a table. Little table frame. Perfect. What else to throw in the truck? Old lamp. Let's minus the shade, right? Don't need that. Get in there. Snip that cord off. Interesting looking lamp. Let's just do that for now and down the road. Goody. Old pedestal fan. Ooh, that one's seen some action, huh? Come out of there. Come on. There we go. Rubber tote in there. I got my fill of rubber totes right now, though. You know, it's funny, when I need rubber totes and I'm looking for them, I can't find them. You think I'd just pick them up and stockpile them, but a little less plastic. Snip it there. And let's see what's next. Got a little something. Little kitty trike. Oh, that's cute. Oh, they outgrow them so quick. More junk. odds and ends this morning. Yeah. All the cord's gone. I think this fella here does some scrapping himself, but he doesn't do much tin shred. A couple little odds and ends. Old rake head. I think that's brass. No. Oh well. On to the next. Another nugget on the road. Mini fridge. No old turkeys inside of it. Time to try to arrange the mess a little bit. Sometimes it cooperates, sometimes it don't. Alright, what do you... Really? Cord's caught under my bumper. Fix that. That'll work. Come here. All right. And away we go. Scrappy bits here. Ooh, some aluminum. I like aluminum. Huh. That's kind of cool. Dog cage. Pincher. Oh, good morning. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Let's see. Something like that. bungee. Let's see. I thank you, sir.
This is pretty heavy too.
All right, yeah, appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You have a good morning. Yeah, it's a bit of wood, but it'll go. And maybe just throw these back here for now. All right. Well, a few things. Bought me a rusty old chair. I got all these bungees where I can't get to them. Definitely steel. Don't fall. Got a bungee that's trying to escape here. Huh. Oh, stretch. Do something with these. We'll wait and see what else we get. Another little scrap nugget. Flatter, I should say. Some chairs. Looks like it's gonna be a chair kind of day, huh? That's all right. They're metal anyway. Not too efficient on the stacking this morning. Almost kind of work. This is going to be a mess to untie when I get to the scrap yard. on-site processing here. What's up, Chief? Yeah, if you give me a minute. Of course, I'm blocking the way. All right, no problem. I'll get out of your way. Oh, I don't want to leave that other chair. I'll swap places with him. Actually, it's probably the first thing I found today with any actual real weight to it. Got a perfectly good tailgate just sitting there. Let's get a strap ready. I got it, ma'am. I appreciate it. Turn it that way. It's in there somewhere. There it is. All right. Have a good morning, ma'am. Another goodie to add. Actually, a couple. What is that? A collapsible weight bench of some kind? And a bicycle with no seat. Because I am actually making my way to the scrapyard. It looks pretty good. Oh, that hook's just a little tight. I think that's hung up there all right. Ooh, beefy. Stay there for a minute. Way to the scrap yard, and then I got to go back and pick up a washer and dryer that somebody flagged me down about. That'll work. Alright, well, we ain't got to go too far or too fast. Something else, maybe a couple somethings. Take my snippers. Oh, of course it unplugs because I brought the snippers. Their bicycle. That. And some wire shelving. Few more things. That's gonna scare somebody. It's not going anywhere. Well, made it to the scrap yard. Let's go dump some junk. Looks like everybody's got something to add to the pile. see. Keep my finger back. Where to begin? Crash. Come off of there. Hang on to those. Bungee cords everywhere. You know what? I might get rid of this thing just because it doesn't fit very well. Oh, the struggle. Back in. All right, let's go get a ticket. Work. Let me just move these real quick. Tell you what, just set these right here.
You want sell it by separate because are good. It's because we change.
Oh, did you get new ones?
They are working.
Oh, there? Well, okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I got a niece that might need them. And she's expecting her first baby in November.
Wow.
So, nice to have a washer and a dryer when you have children.
Right.
I have to call her up and see if she wants them. This is always a heavy one.
This is the heavy one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, this one ain't too bad.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, are working both.
Okay, yeah. I'll give her a call and see if she wants them. If not, I'm probably going to end up strapping them. Oh, the rebar too, yeah. I thought that was a pile of sticks.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
And you say you don't want the lawnmower?
Not now, because I need one part for the...
Oh, that's no problem. That's no problem.
But maybe for the next time.
That's all right. I appreciate it. Drop it in there. As long as it don't fall out, that's all I'll worry about. I thank you very much, sir.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Yep. Oh, don't forget that scrap yard. I'm not dumping the washer and dryer because my niece says that she would like to have it. So that'll go to a good use, but I do want to get rid of the rebar and collect for my tickets and see what I made today. Pounds anyway. All right, let's go get a ticket for that and see what the day paid. All right, folks, that's it. Back at the house, all weighed out and paid out. So what does the ticket say? First load was 800 pounds of 10 shred. Price is 6.5 cents a pound, so paid $52. Second load, which was just basically the rebar I threw off, 160 pounds at 6.5 cents for 1040, and it paid me $62.50. So yeah, what is that, 960 pounds? That's pretty good. Just short of 1,000 pounds. Not very often that I come up with that much weight. Well, it's a pretty good day. Got what is that, 62.50 in 10 shred. Got me a few cords to add to my pile, a little bit of aluminum to cut up and throw into my clean sheet aluminum pile, and a washer and dryer, which I will be dropping off to my niece later on today when she gets out of work, because like I said before, she's expecting her first baby and I'm sure it will get good use. So that's gonna do it for me, folks. And like I said earlier in this video, or maybe I didn't, I might have forgot, I would like to thank everybody who has shown concern for me being, you know, absent on YouTube. It's just been a hard time, but things are getting better, and hopefully I will be getting a lot more videos out, getting out and doing some scrapping, because I enjoy it, I miss it, it's a lot of fun. But that's going to do it, folks. Until next time.